Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we're diving into how to use Trello's card color titles for enhanced organization, updated for 2025. First things first, let's open up our Trello board. The reason we do this is because all the magic happens right here, and we need to be in our workspace to start organizing. Now that we've done that, hover over to the card you want to color code. Click on the pencil icon or simply press D on your keyboard to open the Edit Labels option. This step is crucial as it's where we will assign colors to our cards, giving us the visual cues we need for better organization. Next up, click Create a New Label. In the pop-up window, type a title for your label and pick a color. The reason we do this is to create a color coding system for our cards. This helps us because each color can represent a different project, priority level, or a team member. The choice is yours. Moving on, once you've assigned a color and a title, click Create. Now, whenever you need to apply this color to a card, just click on the card, hit Labels, and select the desired label. This step is important because it allows us to quickly categorize our cards using the color titles we've set up. Finally, repeat the process for as many color-coded labels as you need. Remember, the goal is to make your Trello board as intuitive and organized as possible. This helps us because the more streamlined your board is, the easier it is to manage tasks and workflow. And there you have it. You've now mastered how to use Trello's card color titles for enhanced organization. Keep experimenting with different colors and titles to see what works best for you and your team. Now, wasn't that easy? Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.